How to download Call of Duty Warzone mobile on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can download the Call of Duty Warzone mobile on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to download the Call of Duty mobile Warzone on your iPhone, just make sure that first of all you are connected to a reliable internet connection, because this is actually quite a heavy application and a heavy game. So you have to also make sure that you have enough storage. After that, open up your app store here. Once you open up your app store, you want to simply just go ahead and tap the search icon and then hit the search bar over here, and then just go ahead and then type in Call of Duty Warzone over here. Once you go ahead and then type in Call of Duty Warzone, you should be able to see a list of search results here. So by the way, right now we can see the Call of Duty mobile, but this is not the one we want to download. We want to actually download the one that says Call of Duty Warzone, and this is actually not launched yet. It is going to get launched on 30th of April 2024. So you can actually apply as a beta user by tapping the get option over here, and this game will begin downloaded. So make sure that you have enough connection to the internet, and after it gets officially launched, you can log in properly and then go ahead and then play this game. But so far, as of making this video, you can only use the beta version. So hope this video helped you as to how you can download the Call of Duty Warzone game on your iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.